Thank you so much, guys, for all your warm wishes, all your congratulations. You guys made me feel so good. You really showed up for me. You guys are amazing. So I can't wait until I can give you guys even more update on my new garden area. There are some things that I do have to take care of. I'm in a HOA. Hey guys, welcome back to The Growing Gardener. I am Cindy, and today we are still making the transition from where we used to garden to our new garden. So I have not come up with the design yet, right? But we still got to get through this winter. Hopefully I'm gonna have that soon and have my beds built before the new year. That is what I'm hoping and keeping my fingers crossed. But a couple of days ago, I went back to my old place and I picked up my vegetables and I transported them here. So I'm going to be showing you guys that. In addition, I am getting ready to feed my plants. I just put a little bit of this fish fertilizer in, and now I'm going to stir this right on up. And then we're going to go feed them. But here's the issue that I am having. The issue that I am having is it's going to freeze tonight. My plant seems a bit dry. In fact, I really do think they are. I'm taking this off because it is broken and I lose more than what I should. And it's easier to kind of pour in here. But yes, it is going to freeze tonight. Alexa said that it's going to be between 26 and 36 degrees. Now, I do not know what that means for my plants. Like, these are winter plants, right? And I'm thinking, if I am feeding them now, what happens if it freezes? So again, this is one of the things that I could have researched, I guess, but I did not think about it until, like, literally, I didn't know what the temperature was going to be. And then my husband told me it was going to be really cold, and he asked me not to use the speakers out here. So I had to fill this up from in the house. But anyhow, let me know, like, is it wise to water your plants right before you know it's going to freeze? I'm going to go out on a limb and say, yes, go ahead on and feed them because they look like they need something to eat, but I'm not sure. We are going to err on the side of caution, and I think I'm going to go ahead on and feed them. All right, guys, so I have a little bit of help here. Miss Vicky is going to film me because I forgot my tripod, but we're going to start with these right here. We're going to see where we can put them. I'm going to have to definitely do more than one trip because I forgot that I have stuff in my trunk too, but that's all right. We're gonna so I think I'm gonna actually put these inside the car. Just follow me. Okay, guys, so my car was extremely junky, but I cleared space enough to get maybe I think it's about 4 plants. And because I haven't watered it forever, that's gonna be perfect. So, and I don't think I underestimated how heavy they were. I should have, like, taken these out and processed before winter, but that's okay. Here.
How about you make that decision after you see the footage?
After I see it. Yeah, this one is heavy. But for the most part, I realized that there was not a lot that I was going to do on this trip. I knew that I would have to come back with my husband. So I decided on about 2 plants, and then I took those. I believe it was the lettuce as well as
it was
the
this thing over here.
garlic that I eventually took.
Okay. I'll do these. He is going to be fine.
Okay, well, I'm going to have to come back.
He is going to be fine.
And the next day I came back with the hubby, and as you can see, I have loaded my car down, and then a couple of the tools that I use with the garden my husband put in his truck. So unfortunately, my microphone went out, so I have to do a voiceover. Basically, using the fish fertilizer that was in this 2-gallon bucket, I got through all of my plants, being able to feed them a little something. They probably needed more, but I didn't want to do too much water because, again, it's going to freeze. And I'm thinking, what if it freeze? I was so nervous about it freezing that I decided to go ahead on and put straw down for the ones that didn't have it. Okay, guys, I want to show you this. If you could pan in a little bit. Okay. So, this was my collard green plant that I got at the last minute. Didn't really want to, right? But I got it from, I don't know if it's organic. It may be non-GMO. That's what they said, not necessarily organic. Anyway, I got it late from Home Depot. But the little buggies and those little green fat worms, they tore me up. Look, they ate all of this. There's a leaf down here that this plant was on its last leg. Like, so much so that I started to just like uproot it. But something was like, just see if you can get it to grow. Look how this is coming along now. If the cold front don't kill it, I am expecting this to grow up and to be a pretty good plant for me. So I think this is a lesson. I'm gonna try to go back and find some of the footage that I know I took, but with the move and all, it was I can't remember exactly what I did. But if I can do a video or show you guys a side-by-side comparison, I will let you. But don't give up on your plants. They are so resilient. So this is one that I think I said already that I probably need to repot, but it's leaning so much. I don't know, but we'll see what it does after this cold front. This is my lettuce. It is growing really, really well. I hate the fact that the ones that I direct sold did not grow. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. I am so close to 100. If not, I may be already there by the time this video is uploaded. I think I was at like 98 earlier today. So that is exciting too. But until the next time.